Hi, this is Chris Narrett with the 90-Day No Excuses Fitness Challenge, where our passion is also our mission, and that is to educate, inspire, and facilitate positive lifestyle changes one challenge at a time. Today's message is entitled, What's Your Number? Using a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest, I'm going to ask you to place a value on the goal you've set for this challenge. But first, I want to quickly touch on some of the factors that you'll want to consider before rating the importance of your goal. You see, I've met with hundreds of people over the years, and those who achieve the greatest results are the ones that are willing to peel back all the layers, covering the true meaning behind why they want to lose weight or get in shape. Now, if you've taken the time to watch the pre-challenge video on SMART goals, you already know how important it is to have a goal that is specific. So what I'm going to ask of you today is that you drill down as deep as you can into that specific part of your goal that answers the question, why do you want to do this? Why do you want to lose weight? Why do you want to tone up? Why do you want to have more energy? Why do you want to have a sculpted chest or big biceps? Or why do you want to fit into that dress or rock that bikini on the beach? Now, when you look at all those things on the surface, they appear pretty straightforward. I mean, who wouldn't want those things, right? But let's consider the following scenario before placing a number on the importance of your goal. Let's just say that your initial reason for joining this challenge was to lose weight. And then you watched the SMART Goals video and thought to yourself, well, that makes sense. So I guess if I need to specify a number of pounds to lose, I'd like to lose 30 pounds. That's great. But the next question that needs to be answered is, why do you want to lose that 30 pounds? And of course, a typical response is going to be, well, because I want to look better. But that still isn't the real why. So I'm going to ask you to peel away yet another layer and ask you, why do you want to look better? I mean, how will you benefit from looking better? Now, it's at this point that things may start getting uncomfortable because it's starting to get personal, isn't it? But that's because it needs to be personal. You see, if you're going to be successful in this challenge or any other challenge, you must be able to recognize what it is you're truly going after. It's that deeper emotion, the one that you keep to yourself and in some cases hide from yourself out of denial because you don't want others to know how you're feeling deep down. Yet in order to be successful, you need to embrace it. You need to bring it to the surface so you're reminded each day why you're doing this. So with those things in mind, go ahead and place a value on your goal ranging from 1 to 10, with 10 meaning you want to achieve that goal more than anything. Now, if you're someplace where you can actually write your number down, you'll want it to look like this. But don't worry if you can't, as you can always go back and do this part later on. Now, for anyone who gave their goal a rating of a 10, congratulations. That's going to get you out of the gate quickly, and it's a good indication that you'll be willing to make the hard choices necessary to see it through to the end. In fact, I'd like you to go ahead right now and circle it a couple of times so it resonates as an even stronger commitment. And for those who put less than a 10, it doesn't necessarily mean that your fitness isn't important to you, or that you're not going to be successful. What it does mean, however, is you're either afraid of failing, which could be for various reasons, or you're already letting yourself off the hook before you even get started. In either case, my promise to you is that I will do my best to deliver the inspiration, motivation, education, encouragement, and support, whatever you need to develop the confidence and can-do attitude that will bring your number from wherever it is up to a 10. In wrapping things up, I just want to say to make sure to catch day number 2's message, which will pick up where we left off today, and will cover why you chose the number you did, and how the emotion behind it will serve as your personal North Star of motivation throughout the rest of this challenge. And remember that in pursuit of your fitness goals, there is never any excuse bigger or more powerful than your will to succeed.